Hello world, this is the Prodigy. I'm working on another video, and this one in particular is going towards my training facility demo that I'm trying to put together. I've been watching some YouTube videos. This guy in particular is great. I mean, like, his tutorials are straightforward. I've started with 1.2, worked my all the way up to 1.7. I'm not going to do 1.8 until I do a few things on the side because I would like to import the gun in, both guns that I plan on using, and also I have these FPS arms, which I will show in a second, that I'm going to be pretty much setting up to be imported into my demo scene just for testing purposes. This is actually the code that I had to go through and watch the tutorial videos on. It's um, I'm glad that I just followed along rather than just copied the whole thing and then applied it then, because then I wouldn't know how it worked. So that's a good thing. And so I'm gonna go here. Where are we at here? Oh, okay. That was the code, and I'll just show off the little demo level that I threw together based on what he was showing. It's pretty cool. I mean, it's not complex, but it works. My only issue is that I'm gonna have to increase the friction because when you run around, um, it still slides. I let go of the key. See, I'll go, let go, still going, for a little bit. So I'm gonna have to work on the friction with that and kind of have them stop slightly, a little more abruptly than that. Other than that, I mean, it works out really well. You can jump. It's laggy because I have the recording program going at the same time, but that's what I've gotten so far. And so now I'm going to jump into Blender. I have this, where is it at? Here we go. I have this. I just downloaded this from Blendswap last night before I went to bed. It's going to work for what I'm trying to do. The only issue that I'm going to have to deal with is I'm going to push Alt A, and it does that. I guess that's supposed to be a punching animation, I guess, which is okay, I guess, but I'm not going to use it because I don't need it. I'm going to go with something else that's a little more just better. So, with that being said, I'm going to X out, and I'm going to go, let's see here. Actually, there's going to be three weapons. There's going to be a tactical knife, a sidearm, and a assault rifle, which is what I'm going to use for this demo. I don't have a body for the character, as you'll see here. That is the body right here. It's even called player capsule. It's a capsule by shape, but that is the player. And if I go here, if I push this, and I push the play button, you can see me move the mouse. You can move forward, back, left, right, all that good stuff. So, that's what I got so far. And like I said, I'm going to go in here and make a few changes to this file. So the first thing I'm going to do is save as, and I'm going to go to my documents folder and zombie training. Do I want to save it in here? I could. No, I'm not going to do that because I want to import it in, or I need to look at some videos on how to do that later on. So what I'm going to do is just save it right here in my, and I'm going to call this FPS underscore hands. Okay, and so that's the name of the file. Second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go here. Actually, no, I'll just change it here. I'm going to go to the, where are we at? I am so lost right now. Oh, node, text, UV, video sequence. Well, interesting. Um, hmm. Yeah, I'm lost right now. I made a mistake somewhere. It's not timeline. Dope sheet. Duh. Okay. Anyways, I'm going to go to action editor here. I'm going to push A, and I'm going to delete all of these keyframes because I don't need them. And so when I push Alt A now, his hands, they still do the motion, so I need to go in here. So it's probably not on this layer. Yep. Delete those. Alt A. Alt A. Still does it. Okay. Alright. Well, let's see here. Okay, anyways. Where am I at here? Hmm. Okay. Delete. Go here. A. Delete. And that's our camera rig, and that is the master rig. Understandable. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to this first layer here. Push Alt A, and nothing should happen. Hopefully, nothing will happen. Great, just what I wanted. Okay. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and do this. File, save, because that's exactly how I wanted it. And I'm going to push 7. I'm going to select, actually I'm going to do, it's always easier to select the mesh when the bones aren't, you know, selectable like that. So, let's see what we got here. Oh god, let's just, oh man, just see what happens if I do that. Jeez. Okay, anyways. So I was thinking I wanted to do some kind of glove thing, so that's what I'm going to have going here. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to face select mode, and it looks like it's in GLSL. There we go. Or in it was in texture mode. And so I'm going to do alt right click, and apparently it's not going to work like that, so we're going to go in here and just manually select. Actually, I can close this because I don't need it. Okay, so go here, select these, see what time frame I'm working with here. 8 minutes. Okay, so okay. By the way, I always tend to start off my videos showing what I was either working on previously, or just to give you a good idea so you're not in the dark as, oh yeah, he just started working on this 3D model right off the back, and you know, that's it. You know, no, I don't do that. I like to at least have the people who are watching this, I don't really care who cares. I'm just doing this for fun with the making the videos part, because I have the software to do it. And so that's pretty much all. So I'm just a few vertices short. Ah, see, there's always one hiding. Okay. So, let's see what I got here. 9 minutes 24 seconds. I don't think I'm going to be able to select all these within a 10-minute time frame. So I will just do what I can and stop the video, and we will continue with part 2 later. So, and by the second video I will have already selected all of these, and then we will move on to the next part, which is color. So that said, I will end this video now, and thanks for watching.